Good afternoon. Welcome to MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to look at one of our recent trades, which is a 2017 Sea Ray 400 Sundancer with twin Cummins diesels. Why don't you come aboard and we'll take a look. One thing that really stands out with this boat is its large extended swim platform when you get the gourmet package. The gourmet option gives you your grill, wet bar, and the extended swim platform. You can also get a hydraulic platform on this, and this one would just need to be upgraded to that. As you move into your cockpit area, you have a nice ample L-shaped seat, nice little sport seat over the side, as well as radio controls over on your port side. As we move into the cockpit and the salon, one thing is it gives you a couple nice areas for two igloo coolers underneath the seat. The full aft door slides open to create a entertaining area. Again, another nice L-shaped seat here in the salon. The first section here slides out, so if you need additional, sleeping quarters, you do pick up a little bit here, as well as the two staterooms. This boat is actually the two-head layout boat. You get your AV behind you towards the aft port quarter. Your power panel, breakers, switches, conveniently located here on the port side on the and back of the galley. They've situated a galley nicely. Additional storage here. Nice isotherm refrigerator, dual burner cooktop, convection oven. Great storage underneath the helm. A nice big drawer. Elevated helm seat for great visibility. Nice large opening sunroof. Twin navigation screens with Vessel View 4. The engines come equipped with digital throttle and shift, as well as joystick. Now, this being an inboard boat, the joystick does operate the engines and thruster together to help with docking situations, being able to move sideways, spin on a dime, enhance control. As we move down into the staterooms, you'll see the day head or guest head port side. Move forward into the VIP front berth with a second head to your starboard side. You notice good sized windows bringing a lot of natural light. Two large opening cedar cabinets, as well as drawers underneath the bed. As you move to the midship cabin, nice seating area, two bunks that fill in to create a queen, great visibility, natural light, and nice storage all around. This concludes our tour of the 2017 400 Sundancer. If you have questions about this boat or any boat in our inventory, feel free to call one of our team members here at MarineMax Stuart. We're always here and available to help. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.